Ever pondered how artificial intelligence or AI can revolutionize your business? Let's dive into that thought. The business world is buzzing, and at the heart of this buzz is AI. This isn't a passing trend, it's a seismic shift, a transformation from traditional manual methods to AI-powered automation. Why is this happening? Because AI is offering a tantalizing alternative to the side hustle culture. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about letting AI handle the mundane tasks while you, the entrepreneur, can focus on what really matters: strategy, creativity, innovation. Imagine a world where your business operates smoothly in the background while you brainstorm the next big idea. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, that's the potential AI holds. It's not about replacing humans, it's about augmenting human capabilities, freeing up time and energy for higher-level tasks. So could AI be the secret to escaping the side hustle grind and achieving your million-dollar dream? Imagine a world where repetitive tasks are handled by AI, freeing you for more strategic and creative pursuits. This isn't the stuff of science fiction, it's today's reality. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is already working wonders in various business areas, automating tasks that used to consume a significant portion of your day. Take marketing content, for instance. AI can now analyze vast amounts of data, identify trends, and predict customer behavior. This allows businesses to generate personalized content, tailored to individual customer needs and preferences, on a scale that would be impossible to achieve manually. The result? Improved customer engagement, increased conversion rates, and a more efficient marketing strategy. Customer service is another area where AI is making a big splash. Chatbots powered by AI can handle routine customer inquiries around the clock, providing instant responses and freeing up human agents to deal with more complex issues. This not only enhances customer satisfaction but also significantly reduces the workload of your customer service team. Data analysis, which used to require hours of manual labor, can now be done in a fraction of the time with AI. It can sift through gigabytes of data in seconds, spotting patterns and trends that might otherwise go unnoticed. This provides businesses with invaluable insights, helping them make informed decisions quickly and accurately. The benefits of AI are undeniable. It increases efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, it enhances accuracy by eliminating human error, and it boosts productivity by freeing up time for more strategic and creative tasks. But let's not get carried away. AI is not a magic wand that will solve all your business problems overnight. Clearly, AI isn't magic, but it's a powerful tool that works for you, even while you sleep. It's like having a tireless team of employees working around the clock, helping you turn your million-dollar dream into a reality. But remember, just like any tool, AI needs to be used wisely and effectively. That's where the real challenge lies, and that's what we'll explore in the next scene. But hold your horses. As with any tool, AI has its limitations and requires a learning curve. AI is a powerful tool, no doubt. It's reshaping the way businesses operate, automating tasks, and providing insights that were once impossible to obtain. But it's not a magic wand that can solve all problems. In fact, AI has its own set of challenges that we need to understand. Firstly, AI excels at specific tasks, but it's not a replacement for human creativity. While it can crunch numbers, recognize patterns, and automate repetitive tasks with ease, it can't replicate the complexity of human thought. It can't brainstorm unique marketing strategies, empathize with customers' needs, or make complex decisions based on nuanced ethical considerations. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the person using it. Secondly, there's a learning curve involved in understanding and using AI effectively. Implementing AI in your business isn't as simple as flipping a switch. It takes time to learn how to use AI tools effectively and to understand how they can best serve your specific business needs. It's not uncommon for businesses to invest a significant amount of time into training and development when first integrating AI into their operations. Moreover, AI is data-driven. It needs to be trained on relevant, high-quality data to perform effectively. This means that you'll need to invest time in data collection and management. Without accurate data, your AI tools will be shooting in the dark and the results will be less than optimal. And let's not forget about the ongoing need for human input. AI can help automate tasks and make operations more efficient, but it still requires human oversight. It's important to have a team in place that can monitor the AI's performance, make necessary adjustments, and step in when the AI encounters a situation it can't handle. So, While AI can streamline many tasks, it's not a complete replacement for human ingenuity. Integrating AI into your business may seem daunting, but it's a step towards the future. It's a venture into uncharted territory, but once conquered, the rewards can be monumental. Planning for AI integration is a key step. It's not as simple as plugging in a new device and expecting miracles. It requires a strategic approach, a careful alignment with your existing business model. It's about understanding where AI can bring the most value, whether that's automating mundane tasks, analyzing big data, or improving customer service. Imagine a future where your business operations are streamlined, your processes optimized. A future where AI works alongside you, handling repetitive tasks while you focus on the big picture. It's not just about replacing human effort, but enhancing it. AI can take over the tedious tasks, leaving you free to concentrate on strategy, creativity, and innovation. But the benefits of AI go beyond efficiency. AI opens up a world of possibilities, unlocking potentials we've barely begun to explore. Smarter algorithms can help predict market trends, giving your business a competitive edge. AI-powered customer service can offer personalized experiences, driving customer loyalty and boosting your bottom line. The future of business isn't just about surviving in a digital age, but thriving in it. It's about embracing AI as a collaborator, not a competitor. It's about harnessing the power of AI to drive growth, innovation, and success. It's about transforming your business into an agile, AI-powered enterprise, ready to tackle the challenges of tomorrow. Yes, there's a learning curve. Yes, it takes time and effort to understand and effectively use AI tools, but the investment is worth it. The payoff is a more efficient, more competitive, and more successful business. The payoff is a future where your business isn't just surviving, but thriving. The future of business is AI integrated, and the sooner we adapt, the faster we succeed. So let's not fear the unknown. Let's embrace it. Let's embrace the future of business operations. Let's embrace the power of AI. So, how do you envision AI helping your business? It's a question worth pondering. Perhaps you picture a future where AI takes over mundane tasks, freeing you to focus on the strategic and creative aspects of your business. Or maybe you see AI as a tool to analyze data, providing insights that guide your business decisions. Regardless of your vision, we would love to hear your thoughts. Please take a moment to share your ideas in the comments below. Your input can spark a conversation that benefits us all. Also, if you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI-powered business content. We're here to help you navigate the AI revolution and harness its potential to the fullest. Remember, AI is not about replacing humans, but enhancing our capabilities. So let's embrace the AI revolution together.